So there's a lot that has been going on recently, and we're gonna be talking all about it. Super excited. A lot of big changes happening. In fact, one of those is that I am moving to Illinois here in about, well, not even about, in 3 weeks, less than 3 weeks. I'm gonna be moving to Illinois, but I have two trips to Florida before that happens. So I need to get going and start packing, finish packing, getting close. But let's go have some fun. Well, here it is, the big change. Ended up moving recently, and on the property is a nice little hobby shed that the previous owner used to keep a couple cars in. So I'm going to be turning it into a studio, and I want to bring you along on the journey of doing that. It's going to be a lot of work, but I am pretty excited about it. And one of the first steps is going to be make sure I actually have internet out here. But like I said, bring you along on the journey, show you kind of that entire process. I'm really looking forward to it, and I hope you are too. Let's get to work.